This is Bitcoin short-term price analysis, and we're currently trading at 62K, and I told you guys we would see this liquidity grab here in this zone and this box that I drew a couple of weeks ago, and I told you guys we would have a correction anywhere between 20% up to 40%. We actually retraced from the top around 23%. Which is quite decent because we have a strong pressure from ETFs. The market cap is much higher right now, and we used to retrace minus 40%, but this time is different. And for me, I believe that we can go as far as we can go is minus 30% right now. In the short term, we have a daily moving average right here. We have 618 Fibonacci retracement level. We have historical support right here. So there's really strong support at 52K. We had a little fake out here as we look at the weekly, especially if you look at a weekly chart. We had a little fake out here and we came back, we bounced back, but I think we're gonna test this level again and we'll see if it's gonna hold. If it's gonna be weak, then my prediction is we're just gonna go to 52, have a little accumulation and come back. Something like that may happen, or if this level is not gonna hold, if we're gonna see some black swan event, we can just go all the way down to 45, and that's my maximum that we can. But anything between I would say 55,000 down to 45,000 is a great purchase. So something like that would be my perfect order box for short-term price. If we reach this box, anything here is a great purchase. And then from that point, if we ever reach 51,000, if we're gonna go back even to $73,000, that's 42% profit trade on spot. But if we go below 51K, let's say we go to like $50,000, then guys, you have 100% trade up to $100,000. Where else can you make that kind of money? That's a great opportunity. So I told you guys before that we can see here the moving averages, 50 and 200 day weekly moving averages, and we're so far away. And what does it mean? It means that a lot of traders, big whales, are taking profits when we move away from moving averages. And I told you guys we would see some kind of correction. That's why I took my profits around 70. I didn't took profits at the very top, but I took around $70,000, and that was a great decision because we were correcting. We just started because, as I said before, the whales need some time to release their bags. It doesn't happen too quickly. The news has to spread around that Bitcoin is going up, so the new people are coming into the market and they provide liquidity for people taking profits for bigger fish, because one whale needs thousands of new people to sell their share to. So this is happening right now. This is probably whales taking profits, and we're gonna see probably some bigger correction mode. In my opinion, it could be 52,000 as I said maximum. If we break, something horrible has to happen to break $50,000. But I'm prepared for that. Like I took profits. I took 40% off. So in case we go down, I will just purchase my Bitcoin back and make another 50 or 100% trade. But in case we gonna continue going up, then I still own 60%. So guys, the key in crypto, the key in Bitcoin trading is playing with the levels. That's why you have technical analysis. That's why you have those indicators. That's why you have me. And if you want more updates in the future, just make sure you click subscribe button, because I'm gonna cover this chart many times in the future, and you will know what to do. So for me, it's a game of levels. If we go lower, then I'm just gonna purchase more. The more we go down, the more I'm gonna purchase. If we go up, then I'm just gonna keep selling my Bitcoin and look for something else, and or wait for the bear market. All right. So now let's take a look at Fear and Greed Index, and it's 55. Last month it was 80, and I was telling you guys that was way too high, and we're moving towards the left. We just saw first time since a long time some fear last week, 43. Now we bounced back a little bit, and now as I can see, yesterday it was 64, now it's 55, so we're moving actively towards fear or extreme fear. And if you guys see fear, extreme fear here, it's going to be a great indicator to start looking around for some Bitcoin purchases. For some long-term or short-term trade would work perfectly here. Yes, I really love this indicator. It's super simple actually, but it says a lot. Another indicator is CBBI, and as I told you guys, we have halving here, and this is a combination of like 7 different indicators, which I really like. And as you can see here and here and here, those are past halvings, and we're all green. Now during halving, we're on the brown side, overheated a little bit. And I told you guys that we're too high for halving. We grew so much. Like, look guys, look at the moving average. It's so low. We grew so much after halving, and I was like, we need to see some correction because this is kind of natural. And if you see the halving in last halving in 2020, it was like in May. Yes, we were just here, like touching the moving averages, really close. And look what happens when we move away from moving averages. This is where you take profits right over here, and then we just come back and bounce. So whenever you see Bitcoin price around moving averages, especially weekly, then it's good time for purchasing, especially long-term purchasing. But as we move away from it, it's a good time to take profits. As you can see here, that's why I took profits. And yeah. All right, that's it for today. If you liked it, make sure you like this video, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Yes, I'm gonna cover Bitcoin again probably in a couple of days or next week. So see you soon. Bye.